What do you think about this? Spectacular, isn't it? Would you want your future generations to see all of this? And if the answer to that is yes, then join the conversation. Now you would ask me, Samita, how do we join the conversation? Simple. Subscribe to DIDA Eco Gifts Online, DIDA's YouTube channel. Now, as the name suggests, DIDA Eco Gifts Online is an effort to substitute mass-produced goods with artisan-made, handcrafted fashion and lifestyle products made out of organic materials. We work with artisan communities. We explore Australian nature. In fact, we are in love with Australian nature, and we try to put Australian flora and fauna on several of our products. So, subscribe to DIDA Eco Gifts Online on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We also have a Facebook group, Eco-Tex, Learning, Sourcing, Manufacturing. Now, membership to this group is private. It's by invitation only. But hey, just send us a request, a membership request, and we will be in touch with you ASAP. We look forward to having you on board and joining the conversation on artisan crafts, sustainability, environment, and community. See you then.
It's rated X. That means you're extra. Extra.